this AK garage. This video is all about braking system. The reason why you need brake system flash or breakthrough flash. Watch this video to the end and you see that it is helpful for you. Alright, this AK garage right to change that. So now you can see this device here is braking system. Yes, that's the brake hose. Yes, and then the caliper and the hanger. This brake is the brake part of it. This braking system has been locked up. It has been locked up. If you are driving, the car is not moving. Then we remove the tie off. Then we get to know that the piston has seized. You can see this. You have press and press and press. It's a seize. So this what's the other video I'm talking about, the flashing of brake fluid from the braking system. Every 2 years it's supposed to do that. So you can see this one, it has been locked up. So if you are driving the car, more you are accelerating, the slower that the car is, so because of this one have been gripped to this disc. Now you can see the disc, the brake pad has been cut the disc, so you can see the edges here. You can see it here because of this one. So this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to service this one, either you change or you service it. But this one, for the meantime, service it, then you free it before you fix it back. So you're supposed to change every 2 years. You're supposed to change the brake fluid, do the brake flashing. So to do a brake flashing, this is the nipple of the brake braking system, the nipple of the caliper. So you lose this nipple here, this nipple, you lose it, then you let the flow, the brake fluid to flow out. The brake fluid will flow out. You open all down, all the four ties, you open it down. So you let it, don't pump it, don't press the brake, but yes, so this is the reason why you need brake fluid change or brake fluid flash every 2 years, so that you get away the contaminated brake fluid out for your car. When the brake fluid contaminated and you press up the brake on a highway on a tall speed like this one, yes, it will come down, the speed will come down, but the piston of the brake caliper will not release. That is still gripping the brake shoe to the disc. So it happened like that. It's stopping the speed of your car as you wanted to go, and it happened like that. It cuts the top of the disc and it can cause overheating to your disc, which can affect your car engine, and then the disc. Your disc will run out unless you buy a new one. So it happened like that. You need to do brake fluid flash for your car, so you'll be free for that. Yes, so what is this services? Alright, so now you can see inside. You can see inside as rust. Yes, the inside is full of rust because of the see because of the brake fluid has been spied and it's supposed to change, but they couldn't change it, so it's still using the same brake fluid. So you can see inside of rust. You can see inside. This is the rubber of rust, and then the brake fluid has full of rot. So it's supposed to change. So this is what is causing the problem, that is braking whilst it's driving. Even if the top speed, it is still braking. So it reduces the speed of the car. It's supposed to change the brake fluid. Yes.